Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. As we know that we are doing chapter number 5, that is division. So let's continue with this chapter because one topic we have left in this chapter, that is problem based questions on divisions. Okay. Last tutorial class we have done properties of division of a number by 10, 100 and 1000, and division of a number by 1 digit and 2 digit divisor. Okay, so today we are going to solve problem based questions. Okay children, in our previous chapter, addition, subtraction and multiplication, we already have solved problem based questions. Like these chapters we have to solve problem based questions on division. Okay, so first two questions I have already introduced you in Zoom class. So we will start from the next one. This is question number 3, right? So look at the question number 3, that is Mr. Patel's car has traveled 770 kilometer equally. Okay children, you can solve these questions with me. Just take out your maths book, and this is page number 71 and exercise 5th D. Okay, you can solve this question here also. So just read this question first. Mr. Patel's car has traveled 770 kilometer equally over 22 days. Right? How many kilometers has he traveled in one day? Okay. So, what the question asking? Mr. Patel's car has traveled how much? 770 kilometer equally over 22 days. Okay. 22 days it traveled 770 kilometer. So what we have to find out, how many kilometer has he traveled in one day? We have to find out for 1. Okay, it means that we have to divide, because right now we are doing division chapter. So we know that in this in these problem based questions we have to divide, right? But whenever you have exam, then the mixed problem will be there, and there will be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. So you should know in which problem we have to apply the right operations, right means operation means एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीज़न, राइट? कि हमें कौन सी ऑपरेशन, सही ऑपरेशन यूज़ करनी है, ये आपको ध्यान देना है. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट फॉर 1. सो व्हेनेवर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट फॉर 1, we just need to do division. Okay, so stepwise or statement, with the statement we will solve this question here. I'm not writing this question because it is written over the book. So I'm writing this question in a short form here. Fine. So here I'm writing this question. Short form, like this is question number. This is exercise 5D and question number 3. Okay. Short form like this. Mr. Patel's. Okay. Mr. Patel's car now dash dash dash, and finally I'll write here in 1 day. Okay, this is a short form. Fine. Now in our solutions we will write the statement number 1. First of all, I'll write here solution as we written earlier. So the first statement will be Mr. Patel's car has traveled 770 kilometer equally. Okay, car has traveled is equal to car has traveled over 22 days, because it is given for 22 days. Look at here, it is given for 22 days. Car has traveled over 22 days is equal to how much? 770 kilometer. Okay. So in the next statement we will write, we have to find out for one day. Okay, one day how many kilometers has it traveled? So car has traveled in one day. We can write ONE1 or in numeral form. Okay, one day is equal to 770 divided by 22. Now we will solve it here. Okay, in division column we will write it here. Okay, in division bracket. So first of all I'll write here 22, then bracket, inside the bracket I'll write 777. Fine children, now recite the table of 22. Okay, it will be little tough for you. So just whenever you don't know the table of any number, you just do it in multiplication. You can do it in multiplication way. Okay, it means that you need to learn tables thoroughly 2 to 20, right? 2 to 10 you have to learn, right? Then after that you can write the table in multiplication form. Fine. So 22, I know 22 ones are 22, so we will not write here 22 ones are, we will start from 22. Twos are. Okay, now 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, it's 44. It's near to 77, little bit far. So now check, 22 threes are, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. Fine. Now let's check, 22 fours are, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8. Now look at children, this is 77 and here we have two numbers which is near to 77. This one is smaller and this one is bigger. So we will write this one. It means that 22 threes are 66. Fine. Now subtract it. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Fine. This is the subtraction symbol. Now this is 11, smaller than 22. We can't divide, so bring it down. We will bring down the 0. Now it will become 110. So here 22 fours are 88. Now we will check, 22 fives are. So 5 twos are 10. 1 carry. 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. So children, look at here. It is 110. It is already also 110. Now in which place? 5. So 22 fives are 110. Now subtract this 0. Okay, 110 minus 110. 110 minus 110 is 0. Okay. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So the quotient part will be the answer. It means that in one day Mr. Patel's car will travel 35 kilometer. Fine. So the last statement we will write, this is your rough work. You can do the rough work inside. Okay. So you can write your rough work. Fine. You can write also rough work. This is rough work. So the last statement we will write, thus Mr. Patel's car travelled 35 kilometer in one day. Okay children. Now look at the question number 4. Okay, just read this question first. Mamta had paid rupees 2,250 for 9 books. Okay, how much did she pay for each book? It means that she had paid 2,250 for 9 books, right? In this questions we have to find out for 1. Each means 1. Okay, the meaning of each, 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 it means 1. Fine children. So In this questions, we again find out for 1. Right. So we will not write again question. We will not again write the question. No, we will write the question in short form here. Okay. So here this is question number. This is question number 4. Okay. So Mamta had paid here each book. All right. So statement, first statement, solution. First statement we will write Mamta had paid for 9 books is equal to Mamta had paid for 9 books is equal to rupees 2250. Okay. Now she did pay for each book. She did pay for each book is equal to, what we will write here? Rupees 2250 divided by 9. Okay. So we will write it as division column. Outside the bracket we will write 9 and inside the bracket we will write 2250. Now children, it's very easy for you because it is a table of 9. Now recite the table of 9. Okay. We know that whenever we do division sums, so we just look at the first number of our digit. So this is 1 digit number and already we have your 1 digit. This is 2 and 2 is just, we will just compare, 2 is smaller than 9, so we will take 2 digit. Now it will become 22. Just recite the table of 9 for 22. We know 22 is not exactly divisible by 9, so we will write here the nearest number of 22. Okay. Okay. So here 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. So 27 is greater than 22. We will write here 9 twos are 18. Now subtract it. Okay children. Now subtract 8 from 2. Okay. It is smaller. 2 is smaller than 8. So 2 will take 1 borrow from its previous number. We will not write here, will not cut it because you are in 4th standard now. So just keep it in your mind that when it will take 1 borrow from the previous number, it will become 12. So we can easily subtract 8. 8 from 12, here we have 4 and here we have 1. Fine. When it will give 1 to another number, here we have only 1. Now 1 minus 1, 0. So 4 is also smaller than 9. Just bring down 5. Okay children. Now it is 45. We know that 45 is exactly divisible by 9. So we will write here 9 5s are 45. Now subtract it. 45 minus 45, 0. So one more number we have here, that is 0. So bring down it. Now recite the table of 9 for 0. 9 zeros are 0. Okay children. Now 0 minus 0, 0. Fine. So this is our question and this is. So children, the last statement we will write. Thus, Mamta had paid rupees 250 for each book. Okay? Understood everyone? Okay. So look at the question number 5. A book contained 2652 pages. Aradhya said she would read 17 pages. It means 17, so you can solve this question easily because you can write down the table of 17. So let's look at the question number 6. This is 12 students can sit on a bench. This you can solve easily. And the question number 7. There are 98,028 newspapers. 75 newspapers boys deliver these papers to various areas. Okay, this is very interesting questions, and the divisor is little bit bigger than all the tables, that is 75. So we will solve it here, right? So just read the question. This is question number 7. Okay, these two questions you solve yourself, right? Because you know how to solve the division word problems questions. So look at the question number 7, right? So here there are 98,028 newspapers. Fine. Total number of newspapers are 98,028. So 75 newspaper boys deliver these papers to various areas. As you know, we just take a newspaper in the morning time. So here 75 newspaper boys deliver newspaper in different areas. Supposed to be Doiwala and like Bhaniawala, Jolly Grant, here Dudli, Nagarjwalapur, and so many areas, right? I am giving examples of here only. Okay, so how many newspapers does each boy delivers and how many are left, right? So these boys are dividing the newspaper equally, but some of the newspaper may be left, right? So we will do division of this question. So first of all, we'll write the question here. Short form we will write. This is question number 7. Okay. This is question number 7. Now, there are many left. Okay. So, here in our solution, we will write first total number of newspapers. Total number of newspapers is equal to 98,028. Okay. And 75 newspaper boys deliver these papers to various areas. Okay, now the next statement we will write number of newspaper boys. Newspaper boys. Number of newspaper delivery boys. Okay, we will write here delivery boys also. Delivery also. Delivery boys is equal to 75. Okay. So the third statement we will write each boy deliver newspaper. So each boy deliver newspaper is equal to each. Again here we have each, it means 1. So 98,028 divided by 75. Okay children, now we will solve it here. Write this number in division column. Outside the bracket we will write 75 and inside the bracket we will write 98,028. Okay, so the table of 75 little bit tough for you. So again you will make a rough column and mention it. Rough work. Okay, rough work. So just write the table of 75 in multiplication form. 75 2s are. We will start from 2 because 75 1s are 75 we know. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 and 15. Okay, so children, here this is 2-digit divisor 75 and this is 98. So 2s are 150, bigger than 98, so we will write here 75 ones are 75. Now subtract it. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. It is 23, smaller than this number. So just bring down 0. Now here we know 75 2s are 150. Again multiply. 75 3s are. 3 5s are 15. And 1 carry. 3 7s are 21 and 22. Fine. So it is 225 near to this number. So we will write here 75 3s are 225. Now 5 is bigger than 0. So it will take 1 borrow from this side, become 10. 10 minus 5, we have 5 and here 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring down 2. Okay children. Now 52 is smaller than 75. Again bring down. No. Now we have bring down 2. So 52 is smaller than 75. Now what we have to do here? When number we have bring down. So we will write here 75 zeros are 0. Subtract it. 52 minus 0, 52. Number itself. Then bring down 8. Okay. Now it will become 528. Alright children. Okay. So again we will recite the table of 75 after 3. 75 4s are 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. Carry 2. 29 30. And 75 5s are 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 7 5s are 5 7s are 35. 35 and 2 36 37. Again 75s are 75 6 are 6 5s are 30. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 45. Now one more check, one more number. It is little bit near to 528. Now 75 7s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 50. 51 52. Okay, 52. Fine. So it is, this number is near to this number. So we will write here 75 7s are 525. Now subtract it. 8 minus 5, 3. So children, 3 is smaller than 75. It can't be divisible by this number. So it will be remain here. Right? It is the leftover and this will be the quotient. So it means that delivery boys will deliver, each delivery boy will deliver 1307 newspaper and 3 newspaper will be remain. Right. So the last statement we will write, thus each boy will deliver 1307 newspaper and 3 newspaper are left. newspapers are left. Thus, each boy will deliver 1307 newspapers, and 3 newspapers will be left. Okay, children? In this way, you can solve the problem-based questions on division. Okay? See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.